Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the presentation of books to some libraries and special persons. So I'm going to ask that the author be escorted to the stage. Could we have all the house lights on? And I can't see a thing. Yes, I can see a little bit now. Who's that handsome gentleman? Aunt Hazel? You mean you found a handsome young man? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Hazel Bennett, educator, library pioneer, author. Let's get her center stage for me, please. You want me to hold this for you, Aunt Hazel, for the time being? Yes, I'll get that for you. And you know that she was married to Mr. Bennett for over 50 years? Clap that too. More than half a century. And during that time, they saw most theatrical productions together, as long as they were in the same place at the same time. And oh, they had such a wonderful life, sharing and encouraging so many of us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, some presentations. We have some very special book bearers. Could we have the book bearers out, please? I think you have something to play for them. These are young dancers from Woolmer's. Could you put your hands together for them? Bono no nos, Mr. Bennett, that's a cool breeze. All right, and now, representative from the principal's office, principal of the University of the West Indies, Mrs. Leona Bob Semple. And of course, Aunt Hazel will be making these presentations. Are you good with that, photographer? Show the front of the book. Right. Would you like to do that again? All right. Oh, to shake her hand. You said, shake her hand, please. What a manners of a photographer. Sir Bennett, I love you. Representative from the Vice Chancellor's office, Professor Ronald Young. Remember to turn the face out to your hair, Aunt Hazel. Right. Hi, Prof. Aunt Hazel, just hold it vertical, yes, so they can get it. And shake hands. You got your shake hand? And then my friend who is not certain who is his minister or which ministry is still in, Sydney Bartley, Principal Director of Culture and Entertainment in a ministry. Sydney, what me not know, me not get the announcement yet, so me not know. Stop telling Aunt Hazel those things. I could hear. Oh boy. Don't come over here. Oh. Ms. Cherry Ann Smart, Acquisitions Librarian, Main Library, the University of the West Indies, Mona. I just love these young ladies. Mrs. Christina Stewart Fullerton, Acquisitions Librarian, Calvin McCain Library, University of Technology. Mr. Christopher Thomas, Librarian, the Northern Caribbean University. Do we have a rep from NCU? Hello, because you come from Manchester, you come from down in there, so? If Mr. Bennett was here, I think you'll get away at the entrance when you're supposed to come out. Listen, I'm saying, no, understand. You're lucky. You're steady around to go around and come back. You must have never hear when tell me, sir. Mrs. Patricia Roberts, Director General, the Jamaica Library Service. Mrs. Winsome Hudson, National Librarian and Chief Executive Officer of the National Library of Jamaica. Turn around the book and turn around to the camera. Do not allow the photographers to speak to you ever again. Ms. Juliet Facey, Librarian, the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Ms. Beverly Brammer, Librarian, Creative Production and Training Center, and there's a studio there named after, in his honor, Wycliffe Bennett Studio. Is Beverly Brammer here? All right. Yoo-hoo! No one from CPTC? Paula Ann, if you're in the house, come and collect this. Paula Ann, where are you? Mine, hello, me know you played sports and all that, but we also know that you will break your ankle and stuff. Come up. You're lucky. It's me up here, so I thought, Mr. Bennett, you have to go around. And remember, Paula, that's not yours, that's for the CPTC, so please deliver it. Not because, but still for all. Thank you, my sister. Mrs. Jacqueline Boucher, Director of Programs Coordination Division at the Institute of Jamaica. And Mr. Bernard Janke, Director, African Caribbean Institute of Jamaica. Oh, member bank. Member bank to Bernard? Okay. Yes, sorry, have me excused. Then how Mrs. Bennett have such a long conversation with you? I think that's the last of our Bernard, nobody else back there? Nobody else back there to accept? I don't have anybody else on my list. Mrs. Bennett, I just thought it would be nice if you could see the young dancers again together on stage so that they can take a bow. Larry, could you send them out? Mrs. B, you can come on over this side if you mind, if you don't mind.